This hair product has taken the hair care industry by storm. It's all over my For You page. And today we're going to talk about what the heck K18 is, should you use it, how do you use it, and most importantly, is it worth the price tag? Not only have I personally used the K18 mask and tested it myself, but I've given it to my mom, friends, colleagues, all with different hair types and different levels of hair damage to use it and report back to me on their thoughts. So we're going to go over all of that in today's video. Getting silky, smooth, healthy hair can feel really overwhelming, especially when these science-heavy products hit the market. It can feel like there are millions of products that all claim to have these amazing results, all claim to work miracles on your hair, and when you finally do land on one to try, it can be even more confusing to understand how to use it. That's how I felt when I found this K18 product. It was very clear to me that this wasn't a usual hair product. It wasn't a bond builder, it wasn't a moisturizing mask, it wasn't a leave-in conditioner, so I was pretty confused as it kind of created a category all on its own. So I spoke with K18's head of R&D and formulation and asked her a few questions so that I could better understand exactly how this product fits into your routine, what to expect, and what makes it so unique. This video is not sponsored, it's simply the video I wish I could find when I was searching on how to use this product. So immediately when I was going through the claims of this product, I realized that uniquely this product claimed to be able to repair the hair from the inner core of the hair strands, which has never been done before in cosmetic chemistry. And with this new hair mask came a lot of confusion because it's really not applied like a traditional hair mask, and the way that you apply it is really key to making sure you get the maximum benefit out of it. It's also a higher, more luxury price point, and while I think that all hair types do get a benefit from this, not all hair types are going to get enough of a benefit to make this price tag worth it for them. So we're going to go over all of that here too. So what is K18? The brand itself has a proprietary compound in all of their formulations called the K18 peptide. This is a biotech engineered peptide, and after years and years of this brand searching different amino acid sequences, they stumbled upon one that could actually fit exactly where it needed to go into the structure of the hair to repair the hair health back to its original state. When we use heat, chemical services, bleach, or color on our hair, it damages the hair structure, most notably the most inner structure of the hair. This is a microscopic chain of keratin in the innermost structure of the hair, but there are billions in place in a single strand of hair. So naturally, when these become damaged, our hair loses its strength and elasticity, and that can lead to frizz, dryness, and breakage. This amino acid was found to be the exact right size and structure to get into the core of the hair where those polypeptide chains lie and actually repair those keratin chains. While moisturizing masks are really effective at softening the outer cuticle of the hair, and bond builders can go a little bit deeper to the hair cortex, nothing had actually been able to penetrate the core of the hair until this product. So not only does this product help to repair the inner polypeptide chains of the hair, but it also helps to repair those disulfide bonds that are targeted by traditional bond repair products. In other words, yes, this product does repair the hair cuticle, but the magic and what really sets this product apart is its ability to get into the inner parts of the hair and repair those key proteins. And the big benefit that I see with a product like this versus a moisturizing mask or a bond builder is that the results don't wash away in one wash, so this helps me kind of justify that higher price point. So how do we use K18? As I mentioned, K18 is not a traditional hair mask and shouldn't be used like one. The most important thing is that we're starting with a clean canvas. So I like to use some sort of a detox or clarifying shampoo to make sure all of that product buildup has been cleansed off the hair. These shampoos can help to wash away oil, dirt, and product buildup so that the peptide can actually penetrate the shaft of the hair effectively. This is really important when it comes to the efficacy of this product and the results that you're going to see, because remember, this little amino acid sequence has to get all the way down to the inner parts of the hair, and we don't want any product buildup stopping that process. Similarly, after you wash your hair, you're not going to condition. This can be really tricky for some people. I remember for myself in the beginning, I was like, I cannot not use conditioner on this hair. I need conditioner. But again, any product that you're applying before the peptide is really going to block its penetration, and it's not going to be able to do its job effectively. So after washing and not conditioning, you're going to towel dry your hair hair and you only need a little bit of this product, this is another reason I can kind of justify this price tag, because at the very most, if someone had hair all the way down to their bottom and it was very dense, even in that case, they would only need up to 4 pumps of the product. You can imagine that for someone with hair like mine, or even shorter or less hair, you really don't need much of this product to really make an impact. When applying the mask, K18's expert Alethea recommended to us at a panel at the Sephora Squad that you really work it into your hands into a white paste. That way you can really spread it a little bit better, and you can also see exactly where you've applied it. So I think of it kind of like those chewables when we were kids that we used to chew, and then it would show you where you brushed your teeth and where you missed. This is going to help you be able to see what areas of the hair you missed applying the mask. If you must use products after the mask, like other styling products or heat protectants, you want to make sure that you're giving the peptide 4 full minutes to do its job before you add anything else on top. When I first started using it and my hair was really damaged from bleach, what I would do is use it for consecutive washes about 4 or 5 times, and then I found I would need to use it maybe weekly or even monthly to maintain the results. You kind of have to see what works best for your hair, but you can use it for consecutive washes if you're dealing with a lot of damage. So who should use K18? This is where it gets a little bit nuanced. The full answer is that anybody, even if you don't have noticeable hair damage, can benefit from the K18 peptide. And the reason is that anybody with hair has hair damage, unfortunately, because our hair becomes damaged even from brushing or washing, even if it might not be noticeable. So if you're someone who this price tag is well within your budget and you don't mind spending this money on a product, then absolutely every hair type can benefit from it. But if you're somebody who this is more of a splurge for you and you really want to make sure that it's going to give you maximum benefit and you're really going to be able to tell a big difference, then in those cases, I would really reserve this product for people who have noticeable damage. So if your ends are split, if you're noticing frizzy dryness at the ends, if your ends are starting to become lighter, if you obviously use heat styling, chemical services, if you have highlights or balayage, those are the people who are going to find this most impactful. In fact, when I kind of gave it to all of my testers to use, the people who came back and texted me and said, "Oh my God, this is life-changing. My hair has never been so healthy," were the ones who had mostly bleach damage and a lot of heat damage. The outer layer of our hair is a hydrophobic one, which means that it repels water. It kind of easily gets damaged by the things that we do to it every single day: heat, brushing, even over washing. So when this layer becomes damaged, then these outside forces can get to the next layer and to the next layer. So it's easy to see how even these very tiny amounts of hair damage can really add up and cause an impact on our hair health. And again, because this product works on the inner polypeptide chains and the outer disulfide bonds, really any level of hair damage is going to see benefit from the K18 peptide. It's just a matter of, for you personally, how much improvement or how dramatic of results do you need to see to make this product worth it for you and your budget. I hope that this video answered all of your questions about this viral hair mask. And if you have any other questions about this product, about hair, about skincare, leave them below in the comments and stay tuned for the next video.